Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pizza garlic bread. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a loaf of Italian or French bread, about 1 pound, fresh garlic, butter, mozzarella cheese, and your favorite pizza toppings. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your bread bakes evenly and gets perfectly crispy. We'll start by creating a flavorful garlic butter mixture to spread on the bread. Now, let's prepare the bread. Take your loaf of Italian bread and carefully slice it in half lengthwise. This creates 2 perfect surfaces for all our delicious toppings. In a small bowl, melt about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Mince 3 cloves of fresh garlic and stir them into the melted butter, along with a pinch of dried oregano or Italian seasoning. Generously brush this aromatic garlic butter mixture over the cut sides of both bread halves. With our garlic base ready, it's time for the pizza magic. Spread about 1/2 cup of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over each buttered bread half. Next, sprinkle 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese generously over the sauce. Now, add your favorite pizza toppings. Think mini pepperonis, diced bell peppers, or even some cooked sausage. Place the bread on a baking sheet and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and the crust is golden brown. Once your pizza garlic bread is out of the oven, let it cool for just 2 minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set and makes it easier to cut into individual pieces. Garnish with some fresh, chopped parsley or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. Serve this warm, cheesy, and garlicky delight immediately as a fantastic appetizer or a perfect side dish to any meal. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.